Guys, I feel like I'm also starting to believe that Zamani Mbatha is really coming back on Isitha the enemy. I'll tell you why in just a second. Stay tuned. After Khaya's dramatic death on Isitha the enemy, fans were not happy because they did not understand why he died, and apparently their problem was not the death of Khaya. They just didn't like the fact that they won't be seeing Zamani Mbatha on their screens anymore. And while everyone was complaining, Zamani came and clarified that he left because he was tired of playing the character and that he doesn't like doing one thing for a long time. After the statement, we all healed and accepted his exit up until the recent news. I've been trying to ignore these news, but it's so difficult to ignore them because they were all over my Facebook and Twitter timeline. But the last through was this one article that I saw on my Twitter timeline titled Zamani returns on a different role. Guys, this was interesting and I decided to read on it. So what this article was basically saying is that Khaya is dead and he's never coming back, but Zamani Mbatha is coming back on the show, and when he comes back he will be playing a different role. Well, I'm not sure what his new name is going to be. All they say on the article that I read is that he comes back as Soli's other son from another relationship, which means that Zamani Mbatha will come back as Khaya's brother, who is not Nomsa's son though. Interesting, ne? I really wish this is true, guys. You know, at this point, I'm waiting to see how all of this is going to happen. And what makes me believe this is true is that Mandla N said it once that there's a character that will die and come back from the dead. And since Soli also came back, I thought they were talking about him. But after reading all of this, I believe that Zamani Mbatha might return from the show. I guess we're gonna have to wait and see how they are going to do all of this. So guys, do comment in the comment section and share your thoughts and opinions regarding this topic. And if you enjoy content on this video, please like, subscribe, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.